Welcome to the Fixit channel, and this is a quick video for anybody that is on Windows 10, especially Windows 10 Creators Update, and wish to upgrade your system to Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. So if you haven't done so, today Microsoft announced that everybody can see it, so you should have it appear in your Windows updates. They say that pretty much everybody is getting it now. One little thing about pretty much everybody's getting it now, I have to say, is that there will probably be a small percentage of people that still don't see it for some reason. Something's incompatible or something's just, not right. But one of the things that, should appear is the Fall Careers Update as it's called something like a feature update or something like that, if I remember well. Now, the question that you might have is it safe to upgrade? You know what? More than 50% of Windows 10 users now are on the Fall Careers Update. And there's very little problems. Very little problems. So, is it safe? Pretty safe. I mean, it's not an absolute zero, but it is pretty safe, and for most part, people are upgrading pretty much flawlessly. Now, do you have to do it? Is it, well, not for now. If you don't want to have it right now, there's no urgency. Basically, if you don't want it now, I'm going to give you a little trick, and it's okay. You'll still get security updates and everything. Eventually, you'll have to, but for now, you can, wait a few months if you want, and there's no problem there. But the fact that it's within your Windows updates means it might install without kind of really, you wanting it immediately. There's also some reasons why some people might not want this, because it's a very long update. For some people, it's going to take half an hour, but some people, it's going to take a couple of hours. You might not want to wait a couple of hours without your PC. So there are some, basically logical reasons for not wanting it right now. It could also be because of, work PC, you're afraid it's going to break something. Or, basically it could be simply because maybe a piece of software you're afraid is going to break or whatever. So if you want to defer the update, simply go to your Windows settings. In the settings, you will go to Network and Internet. Now, depending on if you're connected with a cable or not, if you're connected with a cable, you're going to click on the Ethernet section. If you're not connected with a cable, you're going to go on the Wi-Fi section, because that's probably where you are. Click on your connection and go down, and there's something called metered connection. Turn this on, and it will stop the major updates like the Fall Creators Update from downloading and installing on your machine. And it doesn't stop the security updates, so you're still secure and you're still getting security updates. It's just that you are preventing the big updates like the Fall Careers Update from arriving on your machine. So that's a little trick, and you can switch it back off when you feel that the time is right and you want to upgrade your machine. So that's pretty much what we have to say, and hope you enjoy. There's a lot of little new features in here, and it's I think a worldwide upgrade basically for Windows 10 users. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you so much for following us on this channel.